Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to recover the deleted messages in WhatsApp without backup. So if you have mistakenly deleted your messages and you want to recover particular messages, then guys there are several methods to recover those messages. So first option is you can use the notification option in the setting to see the deleted messages you have deleted recently. So this is for the recent messages, and in the notification option there is option notification history, where you can find all the recent messages. If you do not find the notification history option, or if you do not find the recent messages in notification option or notification history that you want to recover, then guys there is another option which is third party application. So there are various third party applications that you can use to recover the deleted messages in WhatsApp. So my favorite application for doing the same work is Wamar. So Wamar, you can find the Wamar application in Play Store. It is used for recovering the deleted messages, and you can also save story of WhatsApp by this application. So let's start the video. Let's go to the Play Store and install that application. First of all, open the Play Store and type Wamar. Go for this application and you can see that it is used for recovering the deleted messages and to download the status. So guys, first of all you need to install this application, and you can see it has good rating of 4.4, and it is one of the most downloaded application for the doing same work. So first of all let's let it install and we'll open later. So let's open this application, and yeah, we have to accept these privacy policy and term and conditions. So let's accept all these, and let me open this in portrait mode. So yeah, so let's accept this and go allow all the permissions. So you have to choose the application that you want to monitor here. So you can choose the WhatsApp here. So just check this option, and now you can see that if you receive any messages and the message has been deleted, then you can read as well that messages via Wamar. So Wamar is used to recover those messages you have deleted. So just go for it. So yeah, and you need to allow these permissions to allow this application to work properly. So let's enable this first. So with Wamar, yeah, and allow this to access all the files, and then enable this for accessing the notification. So just check this option, and it is warning us that it can read all the SMS. So I'm just showing you how can we do that, and yeah, and we are done with this. And now it has some limitation. If you are offline, if you have an unstable connection, receive message or media may not be deleted before your phone download it. So yeah, so your phone should be in online mode. So storage access denied, allow this. So guys, if you delete any messages in WhatsApp, then your deleted message will be appear here, and you can see all the deleted messages here. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can see the deleted messages without backup, and you can see all the status you can download from here. So guys, I hope you understood, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new on channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.